All right, first step, you gotta turn the water off to the house if we're gonna change out that shutoff valve for the toilet. So I'm gonna pop that this way. So it goes perpendicular to the line. That means it's off. It's closed the valve there. Make sure it's out. Let it run. I'm gonna do that to the sinks also in the bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. And as you can see, there's no water there. Let's do this one. No water here. All right, so we gotta come over here, we're gonna flush this. And we get all the water out of there. Just keep that flapper open so it gets all the water out as much as possible. Bam. So what we're going to do first is we're going to replace this whole mechanism here. Now you're going to need a bucket under here because you're going to have water spilling out of here and out of here. So I got this under there, and you want to close this valve off. Just go ahead and close it off. All right, so what I'm going to do here is just loosen this off of here. Use some channel locks. And we got a lot of pipe on this, so we should be okay as far as, if we get an immediate flush of water out of there, I'd be surprised, but we got all the water turned off. But there's going to be some water coming out of here, so just be ready for that. There we go. All right, so that's it, as you can see. Now if I open this valve, let's see if we get anything. So you got to do that. You got to open this and let it flow out. Because remember, I got to cut it. So we got to get all the excess water out of there. Otherwise, we'll have it all over the floor. Open it all the way. There we go. I'm just going to push this down. There we go, like that. And this is the one we're going to put on. It's a sharkbite. And all you have to do is just push it on. You can leave that in there. It just slides onto that 1/2-inch copper pipe, just like that. And then this right here, although it's got a compression ring in it, this will go right on there like that. Just to make sure you got the right one, go ahead and check it, see if it fits. So that does fit, so that's going to work good. So that's what we're going to put on there. Now I'm going to set that over here for now. And next thing we have to do is cut this. So you need a special tool to cut it. We're going to use this HDX cutter. You can see the blade right here, right in the center. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put our pipe cutter on here. I'm going to get it right around there. I'm going to open up by twisting. I twist the orange. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Let me show you. It opens it up. Still got water coming out of there. That's not encouraging. I don't like that. Once I cut the pipe, man, we're committed though. All right, let's go. Let's do it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this on the pipe. See how I've got it on there? I'm going to try to get as close to the collar as possible. And then I'm going to twist it. You want to keep it nice and straight. So I got it there on there, tight. And now we're going to just roll it around, as you can see.
That cuts the pipe?
Mm-hmm. And we got to get it a little bit tighter. Shit, why is it doing that? Oh, shit. It just seems like it just keeps on dripping. And I need this straight on there.
You sure you turned it off?
Yeah, I turned it on. Yeah, because if you go on any one of these things, you're going to see that it's... So now I'm just going to make a circle And it's tightening as I do it. Keep on going. So the little orange knob on the top, I'm finding that I can't really get it tight enough with my fingers, and I'm not getting the cut that I need on it. See, I'm trying to twist it, but now I can't get it to even twist tighter, so I'm going to use the channel locks. Now I'm going to be doing this very gingerly. I don't want to get it too tight because I don't want to snap the pipe wrong. So I want to get it enough so the blade gets into that copper and starts to slice it. And now it's a little bit better, but I'm still going to need it to get a little bit tighter, so I got to open these channel locks a little bit. And then I'm going to get a little bit of a grab on it, and I'm going to twist it just slightly more so that blade slices into that copper. As you can see, I've already started to get a cut on it. Now, I think if we go around one more time, we should be there. Let's take a look here. Hang on, let me bring it around. And yeah, we're starting to cut it. That looks good. That looks real good. All right, now we're getting there. And let's get another little turn on there. And now it should be done. Should be getting close. I mean, you can see the cut in it. Let's tighten it down even more. Bam, done. That is not, oh yeah, that's good. All right, so we got it off. Now we got to clean this. And it's our next move. So this right here is a 1/2 inch. And this is made by the people that make the shark bites. And what you do is you kind of go around in a circle here. And if there's any burrs on the pipe, what it does is it kind of pops them off. So you need that. Still getting water coming out. All right, so you know how deep you have to go? You push it all the way up, and then you're going to mark it with this. Now that's how far your shark bite's got to go onto this. So now we got to do a little sanding. So I'm going to use this emery paper, and we're going to clean this off as best we can. It'll be nice and shiny when I get done with this, hopefully. It might not be. Might have to make my mark with the felt tip again. I'm basically sanding it off. But you can see so we do have a little bit of a problem with this pipe, don't we? See how it's got a little bend there? That could end up being a problem for us. Shit. Maybe not. I'm gonna have to try it and see. All right, so this right here is compressed, which is not good. It means that pipe was compressed somehow. Right there. That is not making me happy. Take this off. All right, if I have to, I'm going to clean this whole pipe and see how it looks, because I may have to cut the pipe again because of that bend in it. Figures. It's always something. That's probably why. So this is a problem. Is when we put this on, the shark bite's supposed to fit over that. So it goes up to here, but you can see we got a bend there. Man, that is not good. That is not good. Let's see if we can. Shit. So you see that right here. It's like they bent the pipe somehow there. And we've got this much to snub up over of it, but that is going to leak there. So I'd have to cut it here. It doesn't leave me very much. I could do it though, because I need about 3/4. All right, so we're going to try the shark bite on here. And then if it leaks, we'll pull it off and we'll put on a compression fitting. So this part here is going to go through here.
Watch your head.
And then I'm going to go ahead and just push it on. And now we're all the way on. And I think we might be good, but we will find out soon, sooner or later. So now this is on there, and I mean, only you can see it gets right to that edge there. So I think it's going to be okay. Now what we got to do is test it and see if we have a leak. And that's kind of scary. All right, so anyway, we got her on there. We pushed it over, and apparently we're okay. I've got it in the off position, and that means all the pressure's here. So the shark bite's working pretty good. So far, no leak. All right, so when I turn this on, water comes through it. Okay, when I turn this off, bam, shuts it off.
This one, right?
That's it.